welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine. In today's video I'm gonna do this look which is very much mask friendly, so make sure you watch the video till the end and let's start with the video. Now I have already done my skincare, but please excuse my face right now because it is really swollen. I don't know why, but still I wanted to do this look, so here I am. I'm gonna start by applying a primer, and for this I'm gonna use the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. Now this is a great primer. This just blurs out any of the open pores that are there, and especially a skin type like me which is oily, and I have lots of open pores, so this really blurs them out nice. The texture of this primer is really soft. It feels like you are applying a butter on your face, but it actually does a really good job in holding back the excess oil and also like clearly and completely blurring out so perfectly. Now that I'm done with the primer, I'm gonna use a concealer, and for the same I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and I'm in the shade Light Medium. Now this is one of my favorite concealer, guys. I just love this. Blends so nicely. It doesn't feel that heavy on the skin and looks very natural. I've applied it on the general areas like my under eyes, my forehead. I've also applied it on my eyelids because I'll be applying an eyeshadow, and I've also put some on my active acne marks, and I'm gonna blend it first with my fingers. I really love this technique. If you like blending directly with the blender, you can do it, but I especially like blending this with the help of my fingers and then blending it with a beauty blender. Next I'm gonna apply a foundation, and for that I'm gonna use the Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hours Foundation, and I'm in the shade 130 Buff Beige. Now you're gonna see me applying this foundation for quite long time because I have only few foundations left, and in this lockdown I am not getting a chance to go and shop. In fact, I don't want to go and shop, and also that I don't want to buy it online because I know the shade won't come correctly. I'm just hoping all the things will be fine, but let's see, if I feel, then maybe I'll buy it online too, but for now this is what I'm using. While blending your foundation, make sure you're giving a good time to it and you're blending it really nicely and not leaving any harsh lines on your face. Also make sure that you're applying your foundation on your neck. Next I'm gonna set my face, and for the same I'm gonna use the Maybelline's Fit Me powder, and I'm in the shade 110. Taking the same beauty blender which I used to apply my foundation, I'm gonna dab it on the powder and then set my face. Next I'm gonna take the Miss Claire's brow pencil, and this is in the shade Black. Now I have got the brown one too, but I haven't used it because I feel that black one is more more good on me, so I just go for this black one. But really a nice and affordable eyebrow pencil. If you're looking for something really affordable, you should definitely give this a try. And yes, I'm also gonna just brush it with the help of a brow brush. Now it's time for my eyes, and for the same today I am gonna use the Maybelline's Nudes palette, and I'm gonna take this dark brown shade. Now I'm gonna take a really nice big blending brush, and I'm just gonna start blending it all over my eyelids. Now I don't want to make this look by using so many colors because I really want to want my base to be really subtle, because I'm gonna use a vibrant colored eyeliner. So I'm just gonna use only this shade, and I'm gonna blend it all over my eyelids really nicely. For the eyeliner, I'm gonna use the Lakme Insta Liner in the shade Blue. I love colored eyeliners and this is one of my favorite colors. Now this is the only one that I got initially because I really wanted to try. I was not sure how this is, but I've already ordered, so I'm really excited to use all the other colors too. And I think that eyeliner just instantly changes the look of an eye, and I feel that personally the only thing that I can actually do right is applying a eyeliner. I really like applying a eyeliner, and in fact I don't take much time in applying the same. Next, with the help of a small angled brush, I'm gonna use this light brown shade, which is more like a contour shade, and I'm actually gonna use this as a contour. And I'm gonna start contouring my forehead, my nose, and only on those areas, but avoiding my cheeks because I will be wearing a mask. I don't want those areas because I won't be opening my mask, so I'm gonna contour those areas which are visible. Next, I'm gonna take this Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. Oh my god, I think so it's been around 2 years since I have been using this, and I cannot stop using this mascara. Just gives that kind of falsies effect, and if you are someone who doesn't like wearing falsies, you should definitely give this one a try. Really an awesome mascara. I'm gonna use 3 to 4 coats of the same because I really want my lashes to stand out, and this because only the eyes is being exposed wearing a mask, so I really want my eyelashes to stand out, and this mascara just does that job so nicely. Next, I'm gonna use the Lakme's Face Sheer. Now I'm not going with a highlighter because I want my cheeks to be really subtle, and wearing a mask, I feel that it won't look much nice wearing too much of highlighter, but this face sheer gives that perfect kind of natural sheen on your cheeks. But if you are someone who likes highlighter, then you can definitely go with that. I too love highlighter, but for this look I'm gonna use only this face sheer. For the lips, I'm gonna take the Color Bar lipstick from their Kiss Proof Lip Stain collection, and this is in the shade Push Up. Now as I'll be wearing a mask, so I don't want my lipstick to be transferred in that mask, so for that I'm gonna use this lipstick because this is actually kiss proof. I mean, it doesn't transfer and stays really nice on my lips, and this is really comfortable, so I think this lipstick is best for this look. And as you can see that this actually doesn't transfer, and with this I have completed my makeup look, and this is my final look. Really nice blue eyeliner and subtle base on my eyelids, but still eye-catching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do give a thumbs up if you liked, and I'll see you in my next video.